This video will show how to create quizzes on Google Sheet and use them in LifterLMS courses. For this, you need a premium plugin GS2WP quiz. Once you log in to WP Quiz add-on, you can create quizzes like this. Publish the quiz and it will create a shortcode in your WordPress site under Settings. Copy the shortcode and paste in any lesson. Once you publish the lessons, students can participate in the quiz set for a lesson. If you, as course administrator, desire to see the reports about students participating in quizzes, just go to the reports. If you want to know more about GS2WP quiz, please watch a separate video on GS2WP quiz plugin on the link given in description.